Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Now listen carefully and do what I do. Here we go. This is the way the ladies ride. Trippity-trip, trippity-trip. This is the way the ladies ride. Trippity-trippity-trip. This is the way the gentlemen ride. Gallop-a-trot, gallop-a-trot. This is the way the gentlemen ride. Gallop-a-gallop-a-trot. This is the way the farmers ride. Hobble-de-hoy, hobble-de-hoy. This is the way the farmers ride. Hobble-de-hobble-de-hoy. That was good. I like that one. It is a fun one.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Oh, after you.
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see the lamb at school.
Never mind the lamb at school. Look over there.
Grab that goose.
There he goes.
Looks like we were on a wild goose chase.
Brother Goose, how do you ever get to the library?
Well, if Clarence came back once to hear your rhymes, I'm sure he'll come back again if we do some more rhymes.
It's a spirit, Barney. When you're feeling down, you just have to build yourself right back up again. And that reminds me of another rhyme.
Is it one we know? Oh, I'm sure it is. We do know this. It's London Bridge.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Build it up with iron bars, iron bars, iron bars. Build it up with iron bars, my fair lady.
Iron bars will bend and break, bend and break, bend and break. Iron bars will bend and break, my fair lady.
Oh, who's next? Oh. Build it up with silver and gold, silver and gold, silver and gold. Build it up with silver and gold, my fair lady.
Gold and silver I have none, I have none, I have none. Gold and silver I have none, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Gotcha!
Oh, my, look at the time. The library will be closing soon, and I do want to take my book there. I hope Clarence will come back soon.